Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, PorcelainPurgatory. This is my beloved puppy Salem. She's been with me for a couple of months now. I do intend to do a proper video just sort of talking about her and introducing you all to her, but that is not what I'm doing it right this very second. You can probably tell by the video title. I did want to mention that the audio and the visual quality is not going to be very good this time, and the reasoning for that is a couple of months ago I was going to make a video for something and my camera decided to fall and just completely stopped working, but I am currently trying to organise a new camera or getting that one fixed, so hopefully it won't be this bad in the future. Okay, so onto the actual review itself. This is the item. I really love the look of it. I've seen pictures of it on their official website and it's like basically a leather trench coat without sleeves, and I love it. And first thing first, I should mention I am receiving these items for free. I have not paid for any of them with my own money, so not the item itself for shipping. This is an honest review. I am being genuine with my own thoughts and opinions. I don't represent the brand or anything like that. This is just how I feel about the items in which I'm receiving. So firstly, I should talk about shipping. And it got here within a few days of it being sent out, maybe 2 or 3 days. I was going to be reviewing other items with this, a vest and pants, but currently due to the coronavirus happening in China, the China factory has been closed, so I won't be receiving those items until it reopens. Expectations. I've seen the image online on the puppet and the side over here, so I expect it should look fairly similar. I do expect it to be a little big, mostly due to the fact that I am very short, and this is a very long coat. I'm even going pussy. But yeah, so it's a very long coat, and I do expect that it might end up dragging a little bit, but I have big platform boots which will put me at a closer to average height. Customer service, as always, has been awesome. Rave is very quick at responding. Communication stopped for about a month or two. I believe that's because Rave were on holiday, so obviously they weren't speaking within that time. But when they have been communicating while they were open, our communication has been fairly quick. On to opening. Yes. I'll use my hands. As you can see already, it's covered in bubble wrap to protect the actual item inside. And then you can probably see the fancy plastic Rave bag that the item itself comes in. So yeah, as with these larger bags, with these larger items, they tend to come in larger bags. You can see a little bit of it from the front. You can't really see much though, since this part of the plastic isn't really that clear. It's more of a cloudy look, so you can tell there's an item in it, but not really anything about the item. As usual, this is a men's small. It's time to open it. Okay, so I'm gonna have to show you the front. Hopefully you guys can see it with this video quality. I'll tuck in the tag for a moment so that way you can see a bit. But the first thing I'm drawn to is those fancy sort of like latch buttons. Like, those are really cool. But how do they work? Oh, okay. So, because I'm using my webcam, I'm not really going to be able to show this any better, but there's like a little rod, and you thread the fabric through the rod and then press the button, and that's how it does up and undoes. So that's really cool. It has a really like interesting texture. Like, it's a lot softer than I expected it to be. Like, I expected it to be sort of more rough, but this is actually really soft, and I like that. Yep, it's long. It's very long. That was something I was expecting though. Oh, it looks awesome. On the back, it's got a nice buckle, just one of those like generic buckles, not one of the pattern ones that they do sometimes, but adds just a little bit of decoration to the back of it, and, you know, why not? Look at it, look at it, look at it. These sleeves are very interesting as well, like if you can see it, it's got like a sort of layered, almost like an armor type of look to it, which probably makes sense considering it is the punk vest. So, or it's called a punk vest, but I think it's more of a coat in my personal opinion than a vest. You can tell that from the images anyway. But that's what it looks like. Oh, what does it look like? Just up against. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, well I think it's time to try this on now, and for you guys to see how it looks like when on a person. So this is what it looks like when it's done up. Obviously these sleeves are not part of the actual outfit. This is sleeveless. I've just worn plain sleeves to make it easier to identify where, you know, the outfit starts and stops. Oh, it has pockets. Ooh, it has pockets. Oh, those look really cool. Yeah, okay, this is definitely a new favourite of mine. I like the design of it, I love that it's symmetrical. I definitely have a thing with symmetry. This here is just the tag, so don't worry about that. But yeah, like, this is awesome. This is awesome. So this is what the back looks like, along with the little buckle, which is obviously adjustable. You can see those little rings. Yeah, ooh, I like this. So this is obviously it done up. Next, I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's undone. And as you can see, it's fairly easy to undo it. So that way it's opened up. Yeah. I do quite like jackets that look good opened up, and this definitely looks good without being buckled. Oh, this is really nice. Oh, I really like it. If you do want to keep it open, you're probably going to have to like just press it down a little bit so that way it actually stays, because it does seem to be kind of naturally wanting to be closed. I really quite like it. Yes. As I did expect, the coat does go fairly low. In fact, it's probably about that much onto the actual floor. As I've mentioned in pretty much every video that I've made, I'm 5'1". I might actually be 5 foot. I've recently had a look, and it might actually be 5 foot. But either way, I am significantly short, so this would probably fit a lot better on somebody more of a typical height. Yeah, yeah, all good. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Like, it fits really well, like over the chest and the stomach. On the shoulders, I definitely like that it comes off a little bit. It just kind of adds to the whole look, like to the whole aesthetic. It makes it look all fancy. Yeah, it's so good, and the pockets are really deep. They're really decent pockets. That probably doesn't really help, but I just turned it inside out. I could fit my entire hand in it. I'd be able to fit my wallet and whatnot in it. As always, the quality is really, really good. Like, I absolutely love it. It's so soft. Except the tag. The tag is annoying, but obviously you generally remove the tag before you start wearing this out. Yeah, I just love this. It's got like that sort of, it's the same type of stuff that you see in like the inside of leather jackets. Because like I have a real leather jacket and it has the same sort of interior. In terms of value for money, sorry, distracted. I am very easily distracted sometimes. In terms of value for money, I think it's pretty worth the amount that it's listed on the website. Yeah, I love this. What's that pussy? Hello. But yeah, like everything about this coat is just awesome, and I'm so happy to have it. Yeah, it was definitely better than I was expecting. Whoa, hello. Thank you for catching me off guard. I was just checking if there was a button. There doesn't look like there's a spare button with this. Usually with the items in which I receive, they'll have like a spare button in like a little packet. Doesn't look like this came with a spare button for these bits, and I would have thought that they would, but it doesn't look like they do this time. So let's just hope none of them fall off or get lost. So yeah, really happy with this, really happy with this. But yeah, as always, customer service from Rave has been incredible. I will be doing a few more videos soon. As I've said before, I'll be introducing you all to my puppy Salem, who is currently sniffing bubble wrap. Hey. Yeah. So see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day. Look after yourself, look after others, and bye-bye.
For those of you curious, these are my statistical measurements, so hopefully that helps some of you guys. I thought it might be useful just to chuck in that information somewhere. So yeah, thank you.